quite an increase. It's 2-3 centimeters an inch, pretty much all the way around, more in certain places. Maybe a bit too much over here, we'll see. That section there is too high. That section over there is pretty spot on compared to this section. This part that we just recently repaired, I think it's pretty good as well. I might have to raise parts of this. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on this for now. I'm not sure how well you can see, but here's the cut I made in order to fold the liner. And it's pretty much there already, or will be any minute now. Oh, it wasn't that bad. As we can see, we're closing in on this. I think we're leaking here now. It's hard to gauge by eyesight, but this and this should both be high up enough now. It looks like it's still rising. It's over there, just by where the hose from the pump is coming out of the pond. I think I need to do a bit more there. This is so close to leaking. Yeah, it's definitely leaking out here. I found that this is also a low spot. You can see it's overflowing. I raised this one, again just cheating with the rock. I'm gonna do like this. Again, just temporarily. Use this guy to sort of see if there's any other spots that are lower. anything but pretty, but that's not what we're going for. Oh, I just noticed. This is absolutely a low spot as well, so okay. Something like that. The level is lower than what it needs to be after the water has sort of settled in. Could be leaks from over here where we repaired, but it could also be from the waterfall. Yeah, it looks like this is could be the culprit. Yeah, I think so. Then I'll add some soil on top of this, sort of smoothen it out. Just feel like a waste of good. I'm not sure what this is called in English. Gravel? No? Stone? Stone, yes. I'm gonna start by scooping it in. Starting to look like it might spill over here and maybe here. But as you can see, we're really close over here. I should be able to, if this stays somewhat level when it's all said and done, I should be able to dig out the last centimeter or two over there.
pretty much where it needs to be. The reason it looks a bit uneven is because the liner is sort of bulging up. So I'll start by adding some rocks and stones over here.
I really like how this turned out. I'll be adding more rocks, but since this is late September, I'll be picking back up spring next year. Thank you very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. I hope you found this video interesting, entertaining, useful, or perhaps all of the above. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!